Hello everybody, this is Pat from Alphahorn.com. This is our stock market recap for March 22nd, 2019 for the Alphahorn swing system. Hey, if you're with us last week, you saw as we entered into this coming week, we were looking for a bearish resolution to the week. We were seeing things in some of the charts that made us believe that we'd see the equities roll over, and we were waiting to see if we would have confirmation from the Alphahorn swing system to our bearish outlook. We follow 12 different sectors at alphahorn.com. We follow all the major equity indexes, the S&P, the Dow, the NASDAQ, the Russell, financials, real estate, as well as semiconductors. We also follow certain commodities. We follow the energy sector, gold, silver, miners. And the swing system is built to put us on the right side of the trade over a period of time for people who want to invest from a swing trading perspective. Right now we're not geared toward day traders, but we are working on something on the futures market that'll probably be out pretty soon. Anyway, looking at the financials chart, what you see here is the Alphahorn swing system for financials. My system produces 3 different candles, green, yellow, or red, as well as 2 different backgrounds, gray or white. If you're unfamiliar or new to the system, you can search YouTube for Alphahorn. You'll see a tutorial video that I did that'll be pretty informative for you. In essence, what these candles really do is they give the relative strength or weakness of the market. Each of these candles is made up of 2 different indicators. We went long the financials toward the end of 2018 on December 27th. This green arrow shows that there was a long alert that was triggered. It needs a confirming candle, which it received a couple days later on the 31st. And so for the entirety of 2019, the Alphahorn swing system has been long the financial sector. In early March, we had a sell/short alert that was triggered on March 7th. Once again, that needs a confirming candle, which it did not get, so that ended up being a false alert. And so the system stayed long financials. At that point, another sell/short was triggered Wednesday this week on the 20th. Thursday, it missed confirming that by a penny, but with the gap down on Friday, the financials switched from the long side of the trade to the short side of the trade at the open on Friday, and it was the first sector to confirm a short trade. Another sector that did confirm on Friday was the Russell. Like the financials, the system went long it early in the year. It'd been long it. Unlike the financials, though, it did have a short that was confirmed early in March, but that was short-lived trade. The buy trade resumed until this week, and then once again on Wednesday the 20th, we had an alert trigger. That alert was confirmed midday on Friday. So those are the 2 weakest sectors that we follow. On the equity side, we have a number of other equities that have triggered alerts that haven't confirmed them yet, and there are a couple of that haven't even triggered alerts yet. We're watching a couple different wave count scenarios, alternatives, one of which calls for a gap up on Monday. Others continued weakness throughout this week. So I think Monday, maybe the early part of Tuesday, will be quite informative as to the immediate term direction for the stock market. I hope you have a plan out there. Make sure you trade your plan. And if you'd like to find out more about what we do, please visit us at alphahorn.com. We have a nice subscription community over there. We'd love to have you as part of it. Take care and hope you have a profitable week.